Hey guys, so today I'm going out to go off-roading again, and today it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to have my drone with me, my DJI Mavic Mini. Oh, it's back here. And it's going to be really interesting. We'll see if I'm able to, just post it in the air somewhere, aim it at, at the car, and then like drive around a little bit and see if the footage comes out okay that way. To give you an idea of how low budget these videos are, I actually didn't even have a phone mount until about 3 minutes ago. So I went to Best Buy, they didn't have any good options, and then I went to the next door Walmart. This is what my girlfriend's brother calls copy paste America. And while I was at Walmart, I couldn't help it. I got a couple of vinyls, Queen, Greatest Hits, and Eagles, Hotel California. Can't wait to listen to those later on. Also make my life easier, got this tire gauge with a little valve to release pressure, because last time I went to the off-roading place and I had to, release air down to 20 PSI. It took forever. So hopefully this thing will speed it up a little bit. All right, let's hit the road here. And off we go. All right, we're almost at the off-road area. I very predictably missed the turn. That seems to be my curse of bad navigation skills. All right, we're here. So it's time to let air out of the tires so that, we don't destroy this car. Here we go. Oh, it's already so much smoother. The fronts were about 31, the rears were about 36, and now they're all at 21 to 22. So cushy. Last time I was recording, I had the windows open because it was kind of nice to have the wind coming through. But as it turns out, that completely destroys the audio. With the tires aired down like this does not feel any rougher than like just a poorly maintained road in California. So nothing crazy. I feel bad for the control arms, but by the time I'm done with this car, the control arms may not have any control left in them. Oh dear. Oh dear, they've closed off the area. Why? All right, as you can see here, it says that trespassing and loitering are forbidden by law. SDGE, penal code 555-5552. That sounds like a fake phone number right there. And let's see if we can get some footage anyway. I mean, this is a nice dirt road. Well, I just ran into this family on their ATVs, and I asked them how to get into the off-road area, and the dad was really nice. He offered to let me just follow them. There's apparently a different entrance, and so I'm just gonna wait for them to get on their bikes. I mean, it's gonna follow them out. All right, off we go. Following them now. Let's hope I can can semi keep up. Oh, this is so freaking cool. Man, I love this. Everybody's so friendly out here. Wow, that was a lot of fun. And yeah, thanks to that family that showed me how to get here. Got to get some really cool shots of this whole cluster of people just out here having fun off-road. Anyway, hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and hit subscribe, because I'm gonna keep taking this car out into random like off-roady places and see how long this X5 can last. All right, see you next time, guys.